How do I say that?
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today is the first video of many in a new series called What $100 Will Buy You At. And basically, I'm going to be going to some of our favorite clothing stores, spending $100, and then showing you guys what I got for that $100. Now this will either be in store or online, but today we're going to explore my experience and the items that I got for $100 at H&M. H&M is a Swedish store and they're actually owned by the same people that own IKEA. Yesterday I went to H&M with my $100 in hand. First I need to preface something. In this series there will be many stores and many $100. I don't want any of you to think I'm being wasteful and just throwing away $100 several times over. This series actually came up when I was doing a decluttering video of my closet. That had been a long time coming, and when I was finished, I basically had about 20 items in there. The rest of it went to Goodwill or Salvation Army, and I was left with very little. So now what I'm doing is filling my closet with some very necessary items. And though most of the shopping is for me, occasionally I will throw in something for Ava, but I'll show you guys that too. What we're doing is seeing what $100 can buy at certain stores. I also must tell you, I'm a bargain shopper. I will beeline it to the clearance section before I look at the other stuff that's full price because I love to get a deal. Who doesn't? But when I entered H&M yesterday, the first sign that I saw was up to 80% off. And when I got into the store, sure enough, there were these red signs everywhere. $3, $5, $7, $10, $12, $15. And I got kind of excited. And at that moment, I decided that I would purchase all clearance items in an attempt to see how much stuff I could really get. Now I gave myself 1 hour because I didn't want to spend too much time. 1 hour seemed sufficient to find the things that I wanted. Here's all the stuff I got. I haven't looked in this bag since I bought it, which was yesterday afternoon, so some of this is going to be a surprise to me because, like I said before, I wasn't in a hurry, but I wasn't necessarily taking my time. So I'm sure some of it is not going to be my favorite, but I am going to try a lot of it on with you guys because I don't go in the dressing rooms at stores. And of course I do this to save time, but in actuality I'm losing a lot of time because I end up returning stuff that doesn't fit. So I don't recommend not trying stuff on, but I'm going to keep doing it because I'm lazy and I'm impatient. After spending an hour on all of this, I was sure that it totaled $100 or more. But at checkout, it turns out it was $87.40. So close! And since that didn't total $100, I went back last night and got one extra item that was $15, just to stay in that $100 range. So I say we get started and I show you all the goodies that I got, and I think my head's gonna be chopped off. Yep, there we go. All right, I'm not gonna try on the very basic things like this. $3 for a $10 t-shirt, basic grip. Well, maybe I am gonna try it on. Voila, a workout shirt. Why do we look at the back of stuff? I mean, I get the butt, but yeah, the back of a t-shirt's the back of a t-shirt. Before, after, before. Okay, next we have a basic black sweater from $20 to $7. I think we should try it on. Longer in the back, shorter in the front. Right now I have black workout pants on. You can get the idea of what black leggings would look like. I like it. A little slits cut into the sleeves. It's a very thin sweater material. Another sweater. All right, buying red for me is something new, but I thought I would jazz up my wardrobe. Oh, and I might mention, everything is a different size. I look at stuff and see whether or not it's going to fit me. And so that's what I did here. I forgot to tell you what size this was. I can't see it. Let's try this on. I think it's pretty cute. And I think with a pair of jeans, it'll be perfect. Okay, this sweater was size small. Next. Okay, a lot of sweaters. Oops, I love orange. This is size small as well, $29.99 to $7. And for a small, I feel like it's kind of gigantic. Let's try this on too. Big, but super cozy. Yeah, size small. I can see myself sitting cozy by the fire. I'll be by myself, but I'll be cozy. Next. This is for Ava actually, and it was $50 down to $5. I mean, just look at the price tag. It's kind of ridiculous. Very cute. Not gonna try it on. Ava will like it. I love how I fold it and then I just drop it on the ground. Okay, here is not a sweater. This is a sort of satiny blue number that looks like that. And it was from $25 to $3. And as much as I don't want to show my naked arms, I'm gonna. And it's a little snug around the pit area. Oh wait, is it 6? It is 6. Cute. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. Probably, you know, in the summertime with, I really don't know. I bought it because it was cute, and it is cute now that I try it on. We're doing very well right now. Next, ugh, I don't like this already, but I bought it. From $13 to $5, and I remember contemplating this because the shoulders, I don't like off the shoulder. Should I try it and give it a chance? Yeah, no. What's going on here? No thanks. Oh yeah. This is cute. It's Mickey Mouse. Who doesn't love Mickey Mouse? Let's give that a whirl. I'll be wearing this around the house. I don't intend to go to Disneyland anytime soon. I'm keeping it. I like it. Oh, next. I keep trying to stroke for you guys. All right, I really like this greenish mustard color. Therefore, I purchased this sweater in size extra small. We'll see how that works out. It was $19.99 down to $7. So watch this. I think it's too small because the arms are a little weird. Yeah, and I would like it to come lower on my wrist. But yeah, again, the color. I like the color, but not that much. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, $12.99 down to $3. All right, this is the last sweater, and it's pink, it's V-neck, it's size small, $25 down to $7. Let's give that a whirl. It's itchy. It's itchy. I don't think I looked at the ingredients in this shirt, but pretty sure it's wool. And I can't do, no. Nope. I like this. This shirt makes my butt look good. Itchy, itchy. I can barely stand it. Okay, this is for Ava as well. 2 items for Ava. Yeah, it's size 10, which she's a 4, but it looked like it ran really small. $5 from Ken. I'm gonna try it on because I gotta take this off. There's no way this is true to size. Size 10, I don't think so. I'm a 6, but it's pretty cute. Besides this, I think she'll like it. It looks really good with this. Yeah, not bad. I have a dress for me, 2 dresses for me. Can you believe all this stuff that I got for $100? I can't. All right, yeah, I like it. Move bag. $15 from $35, and let's try it. I think it's pretty cute. This is size 8. I was smart to buy an 8 on this one because the boobage area. If I had smaller ones, I'm sure a 6 would fit, but this fits pretty well. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. Even though I have black leggings on. The bottom is cute. There's lining and some of that on top. Didn't button it, but there's that. Pretty cute for $15, I must say. Enough to get it off. But let's keep it on because I have a pair of pants that I forgot about. And these are size 8, and I do not think they're gonna fit me because look how little. There's no way. Oh, it doesn't look little when I hold it up like this. Anyway, zippers, side zipper. Let's give it a whirl. And I'm gonna do it over these leggings because they're skin tight. Maybe they do fit. Oh, there's a button. Let's see if I can get the button. They're high-waisted, which I like. Do you think I can get some butter with my rolls? Wait, my rolls are because of butter. Here's my long, flat butt. I think these are keepers. Let's see. I don't think I said how much they were. It's so hard. Size 8, $25 down to $7. I have one more thing. I like this dress. This one's kind of iffy. I saw it, I liked the pattern, I liked the shape most of all. From $35 down to $5, I got a size medium, and I'm not sure that I'm gonna like the length. So let's try this. Well, I could use a little bit more. Oh, get in the middle, Lou. So yeah, I could use a little bit more cinching around here. I didn't want to get size small, but maybe I should have. And of course you don't want it to be too tight, but when it's a dark color like this, I feel like it can be tight. Yeah, it's just a little bit baggy. So much that it looks like it's the wrong size, but I'm not sure about the length. Ow! Ceiling fan. You can't see the length. Here, maybe this. Just below my knee, which is not bad. It's okay. I may get a smaller one. This is ridiculous right here. Here's my bra. There's my belly. Before, after. Okay, I lied when I said that was the last item or the last dress because there is that extra item that I purchased for $15. I must go get it. I'll be back wearing it. That was ridiculous. That took me so long to put on because there's a slip underneath and because I'm kind of dumb, but here it is. Needs to be tied. Oh, my boob's not in the slip. Parts of it are see-through and other parts not. It's long sleeve but short. Kind of cute. And you can see how this size 2 fits and a 6 or an 8 wouldn't yet. I have to get an 8 in another dress. So this is the last outfit and we're gonna end here. I will tell you that when I added up all the original prices of all of these items put together, it was around $360 and I paid $100. Again, I decided to get all clearance items. About 85% worked out. I'll be taking back, what will I be taking back? Let's see if this itchy sweater is wool like I am thinking it is. Hello. It's only 5% wool, but that 5% is enough for me to say a bye-bye. Too itchy. This is going back. Off the shoulder black shirt is going back, and too small pretty green sweater is going back. All in all, not bad. I'm very happy with my purchases, especially considering I didn't try anything on while I was at the store. And I think I'm not going to do that for this whole series because it'll be a surprise for all of us. So that's it for this video on what $100 will buy you at H&M. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I did. Do me a favor, you guys, and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this new series. If you like it, if you don't, if you think it's frivolous, or if you understand that I need some new clothes. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.